Automation Direct's Monday Minute. CCEA Industrial LED lights provide bright lighting for work areas in commercial and industrial environments with easy installation and long service life. These 24-volt DC-powered lights are available with side mount or recessed mounting options and offer an IP67 rating for use in various applications. The Compact Alpha series is ideal for use in any work area where space is very limited. The Track Alpha series is designed for universal use, is resistant to machining debris and vibrations, and provides suitable protection from liquids and oils. The Herio Nova series includes two types: a recessed style used for large CNC applications, or wet industrial environments requiring very bright illumination, and a side mount style used for diverse working environments including industrial applications, automation processes, and medium to large CNC machines. These new CCEA industrial LED lights offer these agency approvals. Learn more by visiting automationdirect.com/industrial-lighting. Click here to see other Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.